The Sikkim police has set up a crisis response command for COVID-19 in Gangtok at police headquarters. The CRC has 4 groups and 7 cells, and it is headed by Sikkim IGP Avikald as the crisis response commander. He is assisted by 2 Deputy Inspector General of Police Sonamti Bhutia and DB Giri as Deputy Crisis Response Commander and 5 Superintendents of Police as Assistant Crisis Response Commanders. Addressing a press conference in Gangtok, DIG Sonamti Bhutia said CRC was the initiative of Sikkim police for anticipation to respond and tackle any emergency situation developed in the state. Bhutia is also the Deputy Crisis Response Commander of the CRC.
Crisis Response Command has been made with the objective of responding to any crisis in future. It is in anticipation of a crisis. A bigger crisis than what exists today. Okay, we don't know how the future will hold, how long the lockdown is going to be. So, in anticipation of that, we have formed this crisis response command.
Bhutia mentioned that the structure of the CRC had been set up in the public interest and presently it was in the planning stage. Also expressing that the present COVID-19 situation in the state is under control and if it goes out of hand, then the CRC would immediately come into action. The DIG also said that as the situation changes in the state, the CRC would take the control and respond and tackle any situation. He informed the CRC would be accessible for the general public 24/7 and its Facebook and Twitter pages would be available for the people for interaction and to take their feedback and suggestions. CRC can be contacted 24/7 through Police Control Room at 03592221152. While Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Gole on Sunday giving nearly a 50-minute live address on Facebook detailing to the people of Sikkim the steps taken by his government against coronavirus spread and ongoing 21-day lockdown. He repeatedly appealed to the people of the state to stay confined indoors and to cooperate with the state government as social distancing is the only known method to break the chain of coronavirus. The Chief Minister informed that he will be addressing the people of Sikkim on social media after every 3 days to inform about the steps being taken by the state government. While stating that 66 beds at STNM Hospital, 20 at Central Referral Hospital in Tadong and 41 at Military Hospital in Libing already to take up coronavirus case in the state. So far, no positive case have been reported in Sikkim. With Deepa Guru, Gangtok.